dance like ripples on the sea. The world stood still, the sky leaned down to see. And I wonder if you feel it too. This spark, this light, this something new. Like flowers blooming in spring, your smile makes everything seem. The air feels warmer, the days stretch wide, with you by my side. The grass was gold beneath our wandering feet. Your hand in mine, the moment felt complete. Each step a heartbeat, every glance a treat. And I wonder if this could be the start of something wild and free. Like flowers blooming in spring, your smile makes everything sing. The air feels warmer, the days stretch wide, with you by my Flowers don't bloom twice. Youth never returns. The grassland remembers every goodbye. Night wind on the prairie, cool in the traveler's dream. All the fire of my youth scattered in an endless stream. I rode this life with passion through summer storms and snow, but I can never ride back to the girl I used to know. Walt Whitman said, I exist as I am, that is enough. But my springtime faded, the journey's getting rough. Time carves its lines like rivers cutting through the stone. You slips through my fingers, leaving me alone. Flowers don't bloom twice, youth won't come again. The grassland wine can't toast to what I was back then. All the words I whispered, all the ones I loved so true, scattered in the wind, lost in morning dew. Flowers don't bloom twice, oh, youth fades away. The grassland winds keep blowing, carrying yesterday. I gallop through the dust, but I can't catch the years. Just a whisper on the horizon, falling like tears. Flowers don't bloom twice, so I sing tonight. Underneath these endless stars, bathed in silver light. I won't ask where the road goes, I won't count the cost. Just let my soul remember, nothing's ever lost. Those hoof prints on the hillside have faded into grass. That girl who chased the wild wind is just a dream that passed. Whitman sang, keep your face always toward the sunshine. Let the shadows stretch behind me, tracing every line. I return this vast horizon back to the endless sky. I return my younger self to the days gone by. Flowers don't bloom twice, the moon won't wax the same. The grassland holds the echo of every single name. All the trails I wandered, all the rivers I have crossed, are singing in the soil now. Nothing's truly lost. Flowers don't bloom as I am, that is enough. The prairie holds the sunrise and my love. I can't go back, I won't go back, but the grass still grows and I still know flowers don't bloom twice. Oh, flowers don't